Looking for the best motherboard for your next PC build? In this video, we'll explore the top 5 best motherboards of 2026 for both AMD and Intel platforms. From budget-friendly options to high-end performance models, these motherboards offer excellent features, connectivity, and upgrade potential. This list is based on specifications, performance, features, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive into the countdown. 5 MSI MEG Z890 Tomahawk Wi-Fi. The MSI MEG Z890 Tomahawk Wi-Fi is an excellent motherboard for users looking for a balance of performance, modern connectivity, and long-term upgrade potential. Built for AMD Ryzen processors, it supports DDR5 memory, PCIe 5.0 technology, and high-speed storage options for a fast and responsive computing experience. The motherboard also includes Wi-Fi 7, 5G LAN, USB 4 connectivity, and advanced cooling solutions to help maintain stable performance during gaming and demanding workloads. With its durable design, user-friendly features, and strong overall value, the MSI MEG Z890 Tomahawk Wi-Fi is a reliable choice for gamers, creators, and PC enthusiasts in 2026. 4 Gigabyte B850 AORUS Elite Wi-Fi 7. The Gigabyte B850 AORUS Elite Wi-Fi 7 delivers a solid mix of performance and modern features for AMD users. It supports the latest Ryzen processors and includes DDR5 memory compatibility for faster system responsiveness. One of its standout features is Wi-Fi 7 support, providing improved wireless connectivity for gaming and streaming. The board also offers advanced cooling solutions, multiple high-speed storage options, and durable build quality. Whether you're creating content, playing modern games, or multitasking daily, this motherboard provides dependable performance and a feature-rich experience at a competitive price point. 3 ASRock Z890 Taichi Lite. The ASRock Z890 Taichi Lite is a feature-packed motherboard designed for Intel users who want premium capabilities without moving into the highest price range. Built to support Intel's latest processors, it offers strong power delivery, DDR5 memory support, and multiple expansion options. The motherboard is well-suited for demanding workloads such as gaming, video editing, and content creation. Its robust cooling design helps maintain stable performance during intensive tasks. With a combination of modern connectivity, reliable construction, and excellent overall value, the Z890 Taichi Lite stands out as a strong choice for performance-focused PC builders. 2. ASUS Crosshair X870E Glacial. The ASUS ROG Crosshair X870E Glacial is a high-end motherboard built for enthusiasts seeking advanced features and premium performance. Supporting the latest AMD Ryzen processors, it includes extensive connectivity options, high-speed storage support, and advanced cooling capabilities. The board is designed for users who enjoy gaming, content creation, and demanding professional workloads. Its premium construction and feature-rich design make it ideal for powerful PC builds. With support for modern technologies and excellent upgrade flexibility, the X870E Glacial offers a premium platform for users who want top-tier performance in 2026. 1 MSI MEG Z890 Godlike. Taking the #1 spot is the MSI MEG Z890 Godlike, a flagship motherboard created for users who want the best features available for Intel-based systems. It offers exceptional power delivery, extensive connectivity options, DDR5 memory support, and advanced expansion capabilities. Designed for high-performance gaming, professional content creation, and intensive workloads, this motherboard delivers a premium experience from top to bottom. Its robust build quality and future-ready feature set make it a standout choice for enthusiasts. If you're building a no-compromise PC in 2026, the MSI MEG Z890 Godlike is one of the strongest options available.